Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shweta Sublok. Today video is about how to soak henna. Here I am showing you what all henna we are having. We are having wine red, natural brown and burgundy color. Also we are having the natural henna. So let's start with the video and I will tell you how to soak the henna. Here I have taken wine red color henna and now I will start the procedure. So we need half kg of henna. As I have below shoulder length here, I will take half packet of this. I have taken water in the pan and now I will boil it. So this is actually very easy procedure to soak henna, but a lot of you ask me how to soak henna as it is color henna, what all to put in that. So my water is about to boil and I have taken curry leaves. I have a lot of curry leaves because I use them in my hair oils and in my face uptons and lot of other things. So I have dried it and kept it safe. So now for 2 hands full, if you see, I have taken 2 handfuls of leaves and I'll boil it with the water. So again you can see that I have mixed it well in the water. Now we'll wait for the boil to come. And we have to add chai patti into this mixture. So around 3 to 4 tablespoons of tea patti I'll add into my boiling water along with the curry leaves. And here is one more ingredients I will add into this, that is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed itself having a lot of properties to nourish your hairs. So adding fenugreek seed into this water will provide extra shine and extra softness to your hairs. So I'll add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed in this water. So now I'll mix it again and I'll boil it nicely. As you can see, the boil has come. Now I have taken the henna and boiling water. We should prefer to cool down the water and then use, but as I am making video I will use little hot water only just to show you how you have to use it. So you just keep the water for half an hour and then you use it. So now my powder is ready, henna powder is ready, and I'll just show you how to mix water into this henna powder. I just like this powder. It is not because it's from my own brand. It is because it is nicely filtered powder, because I have experienced in other henna that the powder is not nicely filtered and then we have to struggle to get out of these filters. So here you see, just I have added the water. I will filter it and then I will add it so that you won't get the leaves and other things into the henna. So we just need to mix it well and make a nice smooth paste. Paste should not be very thin. It should be little thick only, so that you will apply in your hairs and it will stick to your hairs and it should not fall down out of your hairs. So we'll try to make a thick mixture. As you can see, I'm just mixing, and we have to add some more water and then again we will mix to get the perfect mixture. So as you can see, I have added the rest of the water also in this pot. So you can see now the color of henna is also enhancing as I'm adding the water, and we just need to do this procedure and we just need to mix it. I will leave it overnight and tomorrow morning I will apply into my hairs. So if we are leaving it for around 4 to 5 hours, that would be ideal time to get henna ready to apply in hairs. So here you can see the mixture is almost ready to apply. And also I will tell you, after applying henna, leave it for 3 hours into your hairs minimum to get the perfect color. Do not wash your hairs straight away with shampoo to remove the henna. You just use normal water and then you wash out the henna out of your hairs. Leave your hairs until it dries out, and then you apply a nice hair oil to your hairs. Wait for overnight, and next day morning you can wash your hairs to get the best results. So wash your hairs, and I think after henna immediately you don't need to use conditioner. After two wash you can again start using the conditioner. Why I am saying like this? Because henna itself is a conditioner for hairs. If you are using a good brand henna, it will condition your hairs. So in today's video I have told you how to mix a color henna. So this was the procedure for color henna. Here we have not added any other colors like coffee and some more things because it's already a color henna. I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will get best result for your hairs. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you all.